In regards to the effect of sugar and stevia on fermentation, if the solution contains glucose, then the yeast will produce carbon dioxide.
The independent variable in this experiment is the type of sugar, and the dependent variable in this experiment is the amount of CO2 produced.
The constants in this experiment are the amount of sugar, the amount of yeast, and the amount of water, and the type of water used, and the type of yeast used. The type of fungus that eats the sugar and excretes alcohol and CO2. So basically when we add the sugar in our bottles, the yeast will consume it and hopefully give off carbon dioxide, which will help us blow up our balloon.
Stevia is fake sugar that comes from the leaves of the plant. Glycoside is formed from simple sugars in another chemical.
In regards to cellular respiration, we are talking about the anaerobic process, which requires no oxygen. So starting off with glycolysis, we will be going through alcoholic fermentation because we are talking about yeast. So it starts off with glucose, which gets converted to pyruvate, and since again we are talking about yeast, it goes to alcohol and carbon dioxide, but we are only measuring the carbon dioxide in this lab. So for our materials, you'll need 300 milliliters of water, 2 grams of sugar, 2 grams of stevia, a scale to weigh those out, a graduated cylinder, 3 grams of yeast, 3 balloons, a stirring rod, a funnel, a ruler, a string, and 3 water bottles. Okay, so here's 100 milliliters, and we're putting it into the stevia.
So you put the balloons up top. Just take a picture of it. The balloon with regular sugar prompted most carbon dioxide release. This is because the real sugar was eaten up by the yeast, releasing the carbon dioxide as a result.
The stevia prompted little carbon dioxide release because it is a fake sugar, which means that there wasn't as much carbon dioxide produced.
Produced no carbon dioxide, which caused the balloon not to blow up because the yeast couldn't consume any sugar because there was no presence of sugar, and that was considered our control group.
Glucose and carbon dioxide will be released. In this experiment is the amount of CO2 produced. I'm sorry. Can we be? Why did I look weird?
No,
Speak loud.
Okay, so the balloon with regular sugar. Start over.
Which means that no gas was produced in result of
when there's no yeast.
Okay, can we start over?
Oh, the bottom.
Don't stare at the bottom